Guten Tag, Weddle Wolves. That's good day in German. It's Ms. Lund, and I'm happy to see you at our virtual assembly again today. I'm here with my daughter Avery.
Aloha, that means hello in Hawaiian.
All of us girls are here with you today. We've got my daughter Avery, and of course we've got Bailey. You met Bailey before. And I hope you're having a great second week of distance learning this week on your online learning in your live sessions and also in your schoolwork. I wanted to talk a little bit about pause this morning, and I had to think about what pause means because it's been a long time since I said it. Practice safety, act responsibly, work hard, and show respect. There's lots of ways that we can do that in our new learning environment. We can be kind to the people in our house and show respect to them. That means our family members, that means our pets, that means maybe our grandmas, our grandpas, and of course our parents, anybody that's at home with us. It also means making good choices online, and that shows respect for yourself, that you're making good learning choices, and it also shows responsible learning. So that means going to appropriate learning sites and making kind comments to other students when you're online. I appreciate all of your hard work this last week, and I know your teachers are so happy to see you online. I hope you have a great week of learning next week, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.
Today we have Capo Fit with Mr. Rodriguez. We're going to start Jenga. For 30 seconds, you're alternating legs, stepping right to left, left to right, also alternating your arms. Today we're going to be going 30 seconds on with exercises, and then 15 seconds off in a child squat pose for rest. Our rest will be a child squat, so you're going to try and get your bottom as low to your heels and stay in the squatted position. The next exercise will be a Jenga lunge. You'll lunge, squat, lunge again. Right, and so heading into the break, it's going to be one more child squat, 15 seconds. The next exercise will be the Jenga shield. You'll squat, one side squat, the other side, lunge forward, lunge backward, and continue. With our child squat. And getting ready for our Jenga shield on the other side. Lunge back, squat forward, lunge forward, and lunging back. To our child squat. 2 more exercises to go. Our last 2 exercises are going to be the Jenga push-ups. So you're going to plant one leg, cross the other leg over the top and starting your push-ups on one side. Do a child squat for 15 seconds. Now we're gonna head and do our last set of push-ups. And with that, you finish your last set of push-ups, your last set of 30 seconds, and your final child squat is underway. Really good job today, folks. Hope you enjoyed it, and home and stay safe. Go Weddle Wolves.
Good morning, Weddle family. I hope you guys had a good week. Good job on 2 weeks of distance learning. I'm super proud of you guys. Okay, so I have a few jokes that I want to share with you guys. Super cheesy. Here we go. Okay, why did the duck fall on the sidewalk? He tripped on a quack.
Hey Weddle Wolves, it's Miss B from the library, and I've got some jokes for you. What do you call a magic dog? A labracadabrador.
Hey, Weddle Wolves, Mrs. Ricketts here. Get ready to laugh. Why are fish so smart? Because they live in schools.
Why do bicycles fall over? They're too tired.
Why did the cookie go to the doctor? Because he felt crummy.
If a seagull flies over the sea, what flies over the bay? A bagel.
What did one eye say to the other eye? Between us, something smells.
Why do vampires seem sick all the time? Wait for it. They're always coughing.
Why did the kid throw his clock out the window? Because he wanted to see time fly.
What's a pirate's favorite letter? R. No, it'd be the C.
What did the lunch lady say to Luke Skywalker? Ready? Use the forks, Luke. Okay, I know, Miss Carrie's super good.
What do you call a cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese.
How do you get an astronaut's baby to stop crying? You rock it.
How do you make a tissue dance? You put a little boogie in it.
What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta.
Okay, last one. What does a farmer use to count his cows? Think about it. A calculator. Oh my gosh, I'm good. I will keep those cheesy jokes. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Think of some of your own and share them with your family. All right, Weddle family, have a super great weekend. Bye. Use the forks, Luke. I'm so good.
Привет, Weddle Wolves. That means hello in Russian.
Bonjour, comment allez-vous? That's French for hello and how are you?
صباح الخير. Good morning. كيف الحال? How are you?
أنا جيد شكرا. I'm good, thank you.
Hi Weddle Wolves, this is Mrs. T with my kids, and we're here to tell you how to say hello in a few languages. Ivy is going to tell you how to say hello in Hawaiian.
Aloha.
And Jarek is going to tell you how to say hello in Hindi.
Namaste.
And Avery is going to tell you how to say hello in Japanese.
Konnichiwa.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Go ahead.
Hey Weddle Wolves, it's Miss B from the library, and I am going to say hello to you in Latin, which is a dead language. Salve. Now you can sound super smart. Look up what a dead language is. Bye.
Hi, Weddle students. Just wanted to say dzień dobry, which is Polish for hello.
안녕하세요.